All right, guys. So here we go. I'm going to compare this one with this one. All right. Now, this is interesting, and I thought it was worth mentioning because this right here is my go-to cam. This is the Viofo. And it's my favorite one. This is the Vantrue. This is, you can even see the Viofo right here. This is my favorite one, the Viofo. But if you look closely, tell me if you notice any difference. Is it me, or the plate number is much clearer on the Vantrue versus my favorite Viofo? Now, you can see, as a just look. Now look at this one. Now, here's an interesting thing. The Viofo is set to 1440p, that's 2K, at 60 frames per second, whereas the Vantrue is set to 2K at 30 frames per second. So technically, especially at moving speeds, the Viofo should have picked up the license plate better than the Vantrue. So what's going on here? See, I know a little bit, but not too much about the quality, the frame rates and all that. But is something wrong here? But what am I missing? Why is it that the Vantrue has a better, sharper image? I mean, even the it looks like less blur, whatever you want to call it, pixelated. So what's going on here? And anybody who knows about this stuff, can you just hit me up or something? Send me leave a comment and explain this to me, because this is definitely shouldn't be happening. I mean, I thought the Viofo with the 60 frames per second at 2K would be a lot better than the Vantrue over here at 1440. Same thing, 2K at 30 frames. So what I'm wondering, if I was to lower the frame, which honestly doesn't even make sense, but if I was to put 2K on the Viofo at 30 frames, would I yield the same results? Like, is this something with the frame rate that maybe it's capturing a better pause when you pause it, or capture better image quality, whereas it's smoother when it's moving? I mean, that wouldn't... Because you know what I find interesting about the Vantrue? And again, look, I don't know too much about it, but I'm going to explain something. Maybe this might help explain it. When I'm watching this, it almost feels like you could feel the frames per second, almost as if it gets literally taking pictures, still picture. I mean, you know what frames per second is, right? But almost like it's better quality at the frames per second, whereas this is not as good of a quality with the same frames per second. Double the frames per second, which should be even better. But anyway, you guys let me know, man. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, take care.